Ay, Kim. Guys, mag-end tayo guys kasi naka-live na pala si Madam Melody Aban. So, ibababa ko muna to guys ha. At lipat na kayo guys dito kay Madam Melody Aban. Ayan guys, so mag-enda tayo kasi naka-live na po si Madam Melody Aban ngayon guys. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyong lahat sa walang sawa niyong suporta. So ayan guys, so for you in the house, lipat na kayo kay Madam Melody Aban. Ayan, binaba ko na po ang kanyang link. Tayo guys ay mag-enda. Thank you so much Sis Baby Girl Vlog sa iyong patambay. Sir Mr. Eugene Phillips, thank you so much. And Ma'am from the Vlog, thank you so much. Sir JFC TV, thank you so much. And my friend Darani Matao, thank you so much. CC Samo, thank you so much. And Eric Kid Story, thank you so much. And Ed Scars guys. Ayan, thank you so much guys sa inyo lahat. Mides 27 next vlog is signing up. Ayan, kita-kita ulit tayo bukas guys. Ayan, thank you so much sa inyo lahat guys. Lipat na kayo dyan sa akin Madam Melody Aban. Bye-bye na guys!